Hey guys, if you on Amazon, before we look at the chart, maybe quickly here, year on year, Q4, we had a 13% growth in revenue, and the projections for next quarter are 176 billion. If you compare that to Q1 of 2025, it was 155. So it will be again 13.5-ish. Okay, I didn't write every digit. And of course, if they beat, hopefully they will beat, then this will maybe go towards 14 or 15% year-on-year growth here in Q1 2026 compared to Q1 2025. That would be nice. Net income not really so aggressively rising. Don't want to look into where the money is going or what the costs are from, but just want to show that they're planning to invest 200 billion on AI. So that's a lot. And I think we can find or like see that in here somewhere. I had it earlier. I lost it now. Here. So called payments for property, plant equipment, blah blah blah. So this will probably go then towards 50 million per quarter, which would give then 200 billion, not 50,000 million. Let's go here because it messes with my brain otherwise. So this will probably increase towards 50 billion per quarter to reach that 200 billion per quarter. Man, look at these numbers. That's so much money, man. Oh. And yeah, I don't want to look at everything. I also am not an expert in this, but basically your free cash flow is okay, net cash flow is okay. Then your debt to equity is still okay. So nothing to worry here. Of course, if this goes up, you have concerns of debt increasing as well. This PE stuff, and so I'm not looking at that, never. I don't even know what it is exactly. I know a lot of people look at it, but to me it's mainly the chart. Yeah, that's it from that. Now the chart, see. Yeah, we have come down nicely actually. We wanted to see this in the last video, we talked about it, and we have now reached this box that we have here for this C wave, measured from this A and this B wave. Together with that, we are at the 0.5 Fibonacci level taken from this low 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to this high ABC. Now really looking good, the structure. Okay, you have a nice 5 wave move here, then now a nice 3 wave move. Of course, in your wave C you want to see a 5 wave move to the downside. We can see a 1, 2 here, 3, 4, 5. Will it come? Sometimes it doesn't, because look here, we had like 2 gaps with a lot of percentages dropped in those gaps. Okay, so maybe we're not gonna get the microstructure here. If we do, next level to the downside is 198.14, 192.90 is the golden ratio with the 1.382 fib. So if we go down, certainly you can watch that level. To the upside, we want to get back above this point of control of this range here at 221. And of course, we want to try to work on a 5 wave move, then a 3 wave move down, and yeah, build a solid foundation here. Okay, yeah, maybe we can even label it as a W, X, Y, A, B, C, yeah, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in here. would maybe look even better. Y and then A, B, C, and then 1, 2, 3, and then yeah. Do we get the 4, 5? I don't think we're gonna get it, but it is also okay if we get it, okay? We're in this box. I don't think we're gonna lose this level here, 193. Unless really the market, like a war breaks out or something, I think we're good here. Just one thing else that we can do is compare this, the length of this wave 1 to the wave 2 here. For a wave 2, I like to see, yeah, the price go beyond the 0.382 fib, and it did that, so that's also nice. And yeah, so as long as we know this candle is good, very nice, because yeah, we're dropped, we're negatively on the daily percentage, but the candle is going to be green, and it's going to be the low candle potentially with this engulfing volume candle. So let's see, this might push. If we now go up and hit the 0.618, this wave 4 would be invalidated, so then I don't think we're going to get that 4-5 anymore. As long as we don't hit that, we can always still drop and take this low, create maybe like a bullish divergence. But for then, we have to watch these levels if we do drop, okay? That's all I've got to say. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.